Now shut up, pull up, be nice.
Hello everyone, so I'm going to trade the news right now. There's a GBP sales event happening in a few minutes. So I'm just going to hop in there real quick and show you guys exactly what I do when there's an event to make sure that I make profits regardless of where the market's going to go. So without further ado, let me hop in these markets and show you guys how I trade the news. So today, as mentioned, we're going to trade the news. To get that news, you have to go to investing.com. Investing.com displays a calendar with all the Forex news during the course of the day, during the course of the week, during the course of the month. So this is where I get my news. And as you can see, GBP retail sales event is going to happen in the next 44 minutes. What this event is about, it's about the state of retail sales related to the currency GBP, which is the British pound. Okay, as you can see, there's another event happening later on today, which is the euro. German manufacturing is going to affect the euro. But let's now focus on the GBP retail sales. This is a big one. This usually generates some movement in the market. And as you can see, it says retail sales measures the change in the total value of inflation, adjusted sales at the retail level. It is the foremost indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activity. So as it mentions here in the bottom, a higher than expected reading should take a positive or bullish trend for the GBP, right? So it says here the actual is going to be 12%, so which means this trend should be upward or it should be bullish. So let's hop in these markets here, and in the next 40 minutes or so, I'll be back to GBP USD. As I mentioned, we're going to trade GBP USD. New order. I'm going to go to pending orders. There we go. And what I'm going to do first is I'll do the buy stop first. Let's go. Buy stop. And I'm going to put in the price. I'm going to put it in at 1.27445. Yeah, that looked like a good area there. Let's go. 7445. Place order. And let's go now to do a stop order. So new order. Pending order. Let me go. Pending order. And we want to do a sell stop. Okay, and I'll put it in somewhere below that red candle there, far enough so it doesn't get triggered prematurely. So let me just see where I can put it in. Okay, I'll just put it in anywhere there and I'll drag it up. So 1.27, let's see, 260. Okay, place. All right. All right, so it's too far down now, so I'll just drag it up a little. Since my trade has not been triggered, I can drag it back and forth on the screen, right? Back and forth. So as I mentioned, there's going to be an event now. It's a news event. It's a retail sales event affecting GBP currency. So I'm doing a GBP USD trade. And I've done two standard lots, one buy and one sell. Okay, so what I'm doing here is basically manipulating the system a little. So what usually happens during these events is that the currency shoots up or shoots down, right? And if you don't get in the trade before the event starts, sometimes the broker freezes it and you're not able to enter those trades anymore. So I like to do it before. So I get in there 2 minutes before and I set my trades up. You can do it 1 minute before just to make sure that you don't have any, you're not too far away or too close to the to where the currency is at that point in time. But I like to do it 2 minutes before just to make sure that I get my ducks in a row. And you just sit back and you wait. I'll adjust it a little bit more because I think it's a little bit too far away. I'll adjust it a little bit more. You know, the best place to actually see how fast these candles move is in the 1 minute screen. But I'm doing on the 15 minutes, so that's where I like to trade, on the 15 minute. But if I moved it to the 1 minute, you'd see how fast this candle actually shoots up or shoots down. And just to be 100% sure, I did a sell and a buy. Let me show you guys here on the 1 minute. It usually goes faster. It's far away on the 1 minute there. Anyway, I'll stick to my 15 minutes. Let's just drag this up a little bit more. Yeah. And I'll drag that one down a little bit more as well. I like it closer. You see how that red candle just shoot? Let's go back to the 15 screen. Yeah, it's volatile like that during this event. Yeah. All right. So we're back to the 15 screen. And we just need to wait. It usually takes 1 minute, between 1 and 5 minutes for the event to actually fully take place. So I just have to be patient here. After 5 to 10 minutes, I usually 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I usually exit if nothing happens, because it doesn't happen all the time. But this particular news that I just read there to you guys does trigger some movement in the market. I know it's going to go up based on the information that's in the news, but you never know. I want to be 100% sure that I catch something within this event. So I said both buy stop and sell stop. And now I wait, and it's in a perfect area. It's between two set of resistance. I set my buy stop and sell stop. So let's just wait. I'm certain I'm going to catch something. Hopefully it's a big event. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes nothing actually happens at all. But the majority of time when there is retail news, it does trigger some sort of event or so. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay. All right, guys. So we're starting to see some movement here. Just got to be a little bit patient. It's going to happen. It seems like there is going to be some movement. The market wants everybody to drop out, but I'm going to be a little bit patient. Usually it goes faster than that. Usually it just flies up, and because it goes so fast, you're not able to hop in at the moment and get a trade. It usually freezes, or because the market is moving so fast, the position you get is like so far away from where the line is actually at because of the momentum. So that's why I like to get in these trades before. So it's now triggered my my buy. It's now triggered my buy. I am $8 below, $8 in the red. Now I'm in profit, $12 in profit. Let's see, $14 in profit. It's gonna go up. It's a slow event. Usually it just flies up, but today it's a slow event. I'm disappointed. Usually it's faster than this. All right, I guess I'll just take some small profits and just. But I wanted to show you guys this because the reason let me just close I just closed the sell. Yeah. I want to show you guys this because this happens and it just shoots up, and then you get to make profits. And I could have done a higher trade, but I just wanted to do something small just to show you guys. I could have done like a 5 standard, and wait for it to fly up and make like $200 in an instant, But I just did a 2 standard because that's what I'm comfortable with doing right now. Because I actually wasn't 100% sure it's going to happen, but I still wanted to make this video to show you guys one of the strategies that I use to make this easy money in Forex. Yeah, it's slower than I thought it would be. I'll just take the $20. Yeah, there we go. It's going $36, $38. Yeah, it's going $42. It's going to go more. Usually goes more, and it usually goes faster than this, but let's go $52. I'll just take that $52, and I just want to show you guys that there's some events that trigger the market, and it usually goes up. It usually goes up, way up, and faster, and it's still going up. You see, it's still going up. If I was still in the markets, there we go. You see, it's still going up. I'd still be making money if it was still in the markets. But a quick $58. I just wanted to show you guys that this happens. It's still going up. If I left it, I'd be making more money. But that's one of the strategies that I use, so get in these markets. there we have it, guys. You saw a quick $58 from just this simple strategy. It's just some news. You know, I put in my buy stop and my sell stop, and not even anticipating where the market is going to go. Wherever the market was going to go, I was going to make profit. I just apologize I didn't stay in longer so you could see the full potential of that trade, but it went up quite some ways, and I could have made over $100-200 if I stuck to the trade. So share the video, like, subscribe, tell your friends about it. You guys got to get in these Forex markets. There's money here to be made. So thank you for watching, and I'm out. Deuces.